In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Turbotax account in just 5 minutes. Whether you've decided to switch to a different platform or simply don't need the account anymore, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the official Turbotax website. You'll find it at turbotax.intuit.com. This is where you'll begin the process of deleting your account. Once you're on the Turbotax homepage, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login details to access your account. If you're unsure of your login information, be sure to use the password recovery options available to you. Next, once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Turbotax homepage. You should see a menu or set of options that will guide you to different parts of your account. Look for an option labeled Intuit Account. Click on that link to continue. This will direct you to your account management page, where you handle all things related to your Intuit account, including profile settings and privacy options. Now, on your Intuit account management page, you'll want to find a section labeled Data and Privacy. This section is crucial for accessing your account deletion settings. Click on Data and Privacy to delve deeper into the privacy management features of your account. Here, you will find various options related to your personal data and privacy settings. Once you're in the Data and Privacy section, you should see an option that says Delete. This is the final step towards officially closing your Turbotax account. Click on Delete and carefully follow any additional prompts or confirmations required. The website may ask you to confirm your decision to ensure that you indeed want to delete your account. Make sure to read any warnings or notes provided during this stage, as deleting your account is typically irreversible. And that's it. Your Turbotax account is now deleted. Before completing this process, it might be worth considering downloading any important documents or tax returns from your account that you might need in the future. Always double check to make sure you have everything you need before fully committing to deleting the account. I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple for you. If you found this video helpful, or if you have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.